A reasonable life can be achieved by anyone. A okay life, okay job, okay relationship, anyone can have this. If you want a great life, you must commit to lead a great life, to doing things the majority do not do. Commit to think not like the minority, think like the majority. There are 7 principles to live by to abundant, happy, and successful life. Number 1, the first principle to live by is that one day you will be gone. Maybe in 50 years or 50 weeks, maybe next week or even today. I don't know, you don't know, nobody knows. And rather than living in a fear of this, we should embrace the fact that this life is short and unpredictable. Knowing this, we must live fully today. It is not a recipe for recklessness, rather a recipe to give your all today, to give your very best today in everything you do, to give your greatest energy to this day, to your family, to everyone you count today. It is a reminder for you to live best self in each moment. What I couldn't speak to you tomorrow, what if you are gone tomorrow, what they speak to you, what can you do? Believe the last thing, positive memories in the lives of everyone you come to contact. Knowing that in the end, none of this will stop matters. The only thing that ever matters is how you made others feel, how you feel in your own heart. It is about knowing that things never go with you within. The spirit lives on. But the things, they die with your physical body. Remembering we are going to die is the greatest reminder we can have in our daily life, because it keeps us focused what's really important and what is real. Number 2, there is nothing you cannot be, do, or have. If there has been someone, even one person on this planet that has done it before, that means you can do. It doesn't mean it will be easy. It does mean it is possible. And as long as it is possible, you can work towards it. You can make a plan, learn what needs to be done for you to live a craziest, abundant life. Life most you can consider impossible. But you know, impossible broken down, stick, I am possible. You know, impossible broken down is simply the process of making a plan and being willing on it plan. Principle number 3, nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. If it doesn't make you happy or make you better, don't make time for it. Now before you jump into this, nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. That means if it doesn't make you happy now while you're doing it, or it is going to make you happy as a result of doing it, most likely it's not worth it. Just like everything fighting for is going to require a real fight to win a great prize. You will have to suffer and sacrifice almost anything in life. You should ask yourself these questions about everything you do in life. Does this make me happy? If the answer is no, ask yourself, will the sacrifice I'm making lead to more happiness in the long term? If not, you should let it go. Number 4, be yourself, always, no exception. It's such a tragedy to see so many people on this planet living life they don't want to live just because they listen to other people did the same. The only way you can live happy in this life, the only way you can be successful, if you be yourself. Let me repeat that. Perhaps it is the most important thing you can ever apply to your life. The only way you can be happy in this life, only way you can be successful is If you be you, you'll never be truly happy in life if you're constantly doing things to please others, to compete with others, to be like others. You are unique, and that is your greatest gift. When you follow your own path, regardless that is fixing with others, you open up space for the great things to enter your life. Compare yourself to no what. Compete with no others. Make your own decision, and that will lead to your greatest life. Principle number 5, everything you need is already within you. In this world, we see endless examples of people who seemingly have it all materially. They are empty inside. Things will never complete. Other people will never complain you, regardless of what. There is a saying, needing nothing attracts everything. When you come from a place needing nothing, of seeking nothing outside of yourself to make you happy, you open up a space for more amazing thing to enter your life. And in things don't come, that's fine. You don't need them. Real happiness is never found outside of us. It's not found. Happiness always and only found within us. It is a state of mind. Never forget this. Happiness is the highest level of success. Do what it feels good. The rest will follow. Principle number 6. There is no room for toxic people. There is never-ending space for positive energy, positive people. Surrounding yourself with the energy killers or the worst thing you can do to live a successful life. Unfortunately, not everyone, including family, friends, share the same positive energy you have. Someone will take a while. Some will never get there. Let them run their own race. You focus on living your own happiness. Those who are truly aligned with you will never hold you back to live your life. Don't ever dim your life to feed in others. Shine great. Those who see your spark will shine with you. Remember, you cannot live a great life, a happy life, if you surround yourself with toxic, negative people. Principle number 7, whatever you focus on, you will find. If you search for the negativity in this world, you'll find plenty of others. If you search for hate, anger, violence, and sadness, you will find it. But the same is true on the food side. If your only intention is to search for the good, you will find only the good. Whatever minute you give your life becomes your life. Each can be a failure or a lesson, heartbreak or character building. Life is against you or making you stronger, because there is no such thing as reality. We choose our own reality by the meaning we give each moment in our life. Make it your intention to look for the good in your life, to notice the good in others, to be grateful for what you do have, to see challenges and opportunities to show your true correct character. Remember, what you give, your intention will become your experience in life. Practice seeing the good in your life and in others. Think the best. Expect the best. And always ask yourself, how can this benefit in my life? Live who you are. Love who you are. And look forward who you will become. That's all. Thank you very much. There is a saying, stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. This is not true for all situations. Just like everything in life, you will need to apply some common sense. But what's the core points to is that you always limit your time with the people that continually drain your energy and add no values to your life. Negative people are usually very committed to be negative, and the more you push them to be anything else, the more they will push back. This doesn't mean you show no compassion to others. Live with compassion, live with empathy, put yourself in other shoes. Sure, do what is a standard practice to be a decent human being, but keep your life free from every negative person